He's just sorting his walking poles out. He's been walking for 5 minutes and he's already ate a whole net of baby bells. Andy just told me he's got 1 pack of super noodles for his dinner, so I'm really glad he's bought those because it's quite a tough climb up. You looking forward to those noodles, Andy?
Yeah.
You want any more cheese? I'll tell you as I know.
No more cheese. Well, I broke these already.
Yeah. Oh, I got the camera again. Help me out. So today we're at the Dragon's Back in Derbyshire. Got my mate Andy up there. He's just making his way up with his walking poles now. So yeah, sun's out, fairly windy. Yeah, sort of middle of September. Superb. Been a while since I've been out. Didn't really fancy the midges. A few family holidays. A little bit hot in places, so I didn't really fancy it. So yeah, now it's cooled down a touch. Back out. So windy, Andy. You think you're Sylvester Stallone, didn't you? Right then, we're just kitted up. Weather's come in. Got a little bit of rain. It wasn't forecast. And he's bought his tangerine jacket in, so it can be seen all time. Oh yeah, look, matching.
Yellow covers, green covers.
Yeah, beautiful.
Spotted by the emergency services when we're dying downhill.
we need to, yeah. I think Andy, he was praying to Lucifer about the rain. I think this is what's happened. He wanted to ruin this for me. He wanted it to fail.
The Jonah.
We've actually got some serious weather coming in now, haven't we?
Yeah.
This is not good. Since Andy ate all those baby bells, that net of baby bells, it's gone tits up. Isn't it? What did you do? You jinxed us. You're too hungry, too greedy, jinxed us. Andy's convinced that there's like 3,000 pieces of dog shit up here. But I've told him it's sheep, but he says it's dog. After standing in the rain for an hour, not really doing anything, we've got a rainbow. So it's working out really well. Quite nice. It's like penis. More penis. Andy's got his binoculars out. Look at that. What can you see?
Lots of things close.
Can you see a lot of cloud? So tonight we've got a Songbird by the North Brewing Company, 6%. We've got a Northern Monk, that's a 6.5, and then we've got a Guinness coffee brew stout, which is actually quite nice, really. And then we're going to enjoy that drink with all this cloud. So we've set up camp. Going to crack open the first beer just to keep us warm. I mean, it is September, so it's definitely warm, isn't it, Andy? Right, let's get one of these beers on. Make ourselves feel better. So we've got to change the plan now. So the rain's come in, the wind's come in again. So we've had to shut the doors of the tent and to drink the beers inside. Kind of feels like it's winter again. We've got 18 minutes to get a sunset.
Countdown. Jim, you alive?
What's up, mate?
Fucking thank God for that. I thought you'd lost it.
Goodbye. So I've learned something new on this trip, having spending about a couple of hours around here, that the Peak District is full of dog shit. Even though there's about 100,000 sheep in the Peak District, it is full of dog shit. Andy, stop talking. I've got to do a video.
Well, if you just did a live show.
Andy, I've got like 86 subscribers, soon to be 84. I've got to do this bit of video. Right, I've got the second beer coming up. It's a Northern Monk. It's a collaboration between two breweries. It's 6.5%. It's £3.50, and it's going to taste like anything else I've drank. No, it's not. It's fair. It's going to be good. Keep the faith, Andy. Keep the faith.
I may go for a walk. I may be some time. The fame. The fame.
Your tent looks all saggy.
Who, mine?
Yeah. What are you doing in there?
It's the way I set it up, mate.
Right, I'll give you a little update. Been about an hour in the tent now, and the rain's intensified. We've got one burner between us. We've both got a few noodles, keeping it simple, and Andy's complaining that he's hungry now, and I've got complete power of when he eats. And we can't get to each other because it's pissing it down. So yeah, see, so as much as we're in the tent and it's quite boring and there's no sunset, having complete control over Andy's nutrition is really funny. I'm just trying to film this, but Andy's telling me about the Working Men Club stories from the 80s, and it's a lot of it's like it's horrible. It's nasty. Right, your dinner's ready.
I got 100 quid, stuffed it in. The first £10, because it was £2 a spin.
Boring story. Yeah.
For 5 spins, and I dropped 214 quid. Right. I went to the Bandit next door, dropped another 40 quid. Walked away, whatever up.
Yeah, it's great, Andy. Well done.
Right.
Korean noodles. I got my wife to try one after about a year of having them, and she is actually really surprised. She really enjoyed it. I think she's hooked. Time to nosh. September. It's what we like. The night has literally just got worse. Look at this, what Andy's wearing, look. I mean, what is this, Andy?
How do I work?
What are these? What you got tonight, Andy?
Oh, these super noodles. Canine pepper.
Gourmet.
Army chopped. Good.
Well, I can't see much more happening tonight. Rain's still coming down. Not stopping till about 12 o'clock, I think. Cloud in the morning. Yeah, weather's not been on our side this one. But, yeah. Well, you can't have them all the best, can you? Can't have them all superb sunsets. And actually, probably learnt a fair bit from this one tonight. Right then, I think it's an early night, so if anything interesting happens, I'll let you know. But I'm not entirely sure. The rain's coming properly in now, so yeah, it's nice. Paul Mesner recommendation. Let's see what they're like. Really sweet. So, I've literally just put my bag on and the sun has just come out. The thing we wanted the whole trip is here. So I've packed up, left no trace, apart from raw emotion because we was in a bit of a rainstorm for about 9 hours. So yeah, we're gonna head down now. Beautiful.
What do you think this fucking activity
This is the last time I'm taking you.
This activity is.
This is the last.
This
This is the last time I'm taking you. You've got your binoculars on. You've got your walking poles.
You've got Everly's pink fucking water bottle.
It's embarrassing. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Oh, I'll edit that bit out, Andy.
We're going up that way.
Andy, would you like to go up or on the road? Be honest.
Oh, that way.
No problem. Help me out. Don't work anymore, does it? You all know. Right then, back to the car now. Andy's in pieces. So it's the end of this one. Bit of sun, lots of rain, lots of emotion. See you later.